You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn about the correct pronunciation of this volcano or stratovolcano in Washington State, or this mountain. Rainier. I know it looks like it should be Rainier, like it rains more there than anywhere else. It probably does rain quite a bit. It's Washington, right? But no, it's Mount Rainier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.